Teacher, what?
Open page number 10.
Teacher of math.
Yeah, beta, of maths.
क्या अभी मैथ का पढ़ा दिया फिर इंग्लिश का?
No. Today Miss Ikra will take 2 blocks GK and maths.
Okay, teacher, I do it. I remove my name. Now I
Okay.
am not.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now everyone please turn on your camera as well as please open your worksheet file.
Miss,
Page number 10. Yes, who is saying? Please open page number 10, beta. Yeah, this one. This one. Zayan, page number 10, beta.
Miss,
Ji.
can you tell me the worksheet page again?
Page number 10. 1010.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Yes, Zayanuddin. You may unmute yourself and speak. Do you want to say something, Zayanuddin?
Teacher?
Okay. Yes, Nurul Hadi. यहाँ पर wait.
Teacher, मैंने पेज नंबर 10 करी हुई है.
Why, beta? I didn't say you to do. So why did you do? So now everyone, kindly now we are doing page number 10. So listen to your teachers very carefully. One by one, I am explaining each MCQs and you will choose the answer. Yes, Jafar, speak. Unmute yourself, Jafar. Speak, beta.
Teacher, I also done number 10.
Beta, why did you do by yourself? I didn't give you as in homework. You did it by yourself. So first of all, we are explaining each and every MCQs, and you have to give me answer. Okay? You should raise the hand, so I will give you opportunity to speak. Got it, everyone? Now, मेरे बच्चों, now I am reading number 1 MCQ. So kindly raise the hand if you know the answer. Who will raise first? I will give you opportunity first. And I didn't say, so you have to wait. First, I read the question, then you have to raise the hand. Mariam Fatma, turn on your camera, beta. How many sides does a pentagon have? Okay, Aras. Aras raised hand first. So Aras, kindly give me answer. 5. So everyone take 5. 5 is your correct answer. Got it? Mariam Fatma, turn on your camera, baby. Please turn on your camera, Mariam. Now, we are moving towards question number 2. What type of a shape is triangular prism? Okay, Inaya raised first. So, Inaya, kindly unmute yourself. Yes, Inaya, tell me the answer.
3D shape.
Yeah, correct answer. So, the question number 2 answer is 3D shapes. Okay. Now I am reading question. Jafar, you have to wait first. I have to read the question, then you have to raise the hand. Okay, Jafar? Be attentive, everyone. Sabika? First, I have to read the question, then you have to say. Okay? Which of the following 2D shape has 9 sides? Nonagon or octagon? Okay, Jafar. You have raised the hand first. So kindly unmute yourself, Jafar.
Teacher, nonagon.
Yes, the answer is correct. Nonagon is the correct answer. So everyone take it. Now, beta, I am on question number 4. Mariam Fatma. Okay, Mariam. I will definitely deduct your marks. If you will not turn on your camera, I will deduct them now. How many sides does a heptagon have? 6 or 7? Who will give the okay, Nurul Hadi? Sayan, you will also disappoint with me, teacher. You will not give me opportunity. That's why I'm telling you must raise the hand, okay? If you know the answer. Yes, Nurul Hadi, speak.
7.
7. Okay, fine. Okay, we are on question number 5. What is polygon called that has 5 sides? Jafar, wait. Aras, wait. Okay, Sabika. After that, Mariam. Wait. Now, Sabika, it's your turn. Speak. Zayan, wait.
Miss Pentagon.
Yes, correct answer. So, the answer is pentagon. So, now I am on question number 6. A polygon with 8 sides is called hexagon. True or false? Who will give me answer? Kissa, raise the hand first. Yes, Kissa, speak. Beta Zayan, you have to be attentive. Raise the hand first, okay?
Miss, can
Yes,
you
Kissa.
repeat one more time?
I am on question number 6, beta, and you have your worksheet. Kindly read and give me answer.
Miss, page number I joined
Okay,
right
I am
now.
on 10 page number. Okay. Zayan and Mariam, can you tell me the answer number 6? Okay, Zayan want to give me answer. Speak, beta. True or false?
False.
False. Okay, the answer is false. Kindly tick. Yes, Mariam. Mariam. Now speak, Mariam.
Miss, I want to say that my pencil is not sharpening and I cannot get
Oh.
the worksheet in time.
Okay, Mariam. So you have to sharpen your pencil, beta. Why you are not doing?
I am doing here.
Okay, so you can do it, beta. I am waiting. Okay.
No, you could go along and then in the end I'll just figure out something.
Okay, thank you. So I am on question number 7. Yes, Kissa, what happened? Speak.
Miss, anyone can show a worksheet?
Beta, page number 10. We are doing page number 10. Maths worksheet, page number 10. Look at the Naya's worksheet.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Now we are on question number 7. Yes, Jafar, Zayan. Speak, Jafar.
Teacher square.
Okay. Okay. The question number 7. Correct answer is square. Okay. Now first I have to read the question, then you have to raise the hand. Otherwise I will not give you opportunity. You have to follow the instruction of your teacher. Okay. Now I am on question number 8. So if you know the answer, raise the hand. Got it? Which closed 2D shape has 10 sides? So Abdullah Alvi, please turn on your camera. Abdullah Alvi, fast. Okay, now Abdullah Alvi give me answer. Speak, beta. Abdullah Alvi, speak.
Decagon.
Okay, correct answer is decagon. Yeah, it is correct answer, Abdullah Alvi. So tick the answer. Chittagong. Okay. Now, I think I forgot to tell you about the quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral means the four-sided figure. Okay. Listen to your teacher very carefully. Wait, Sabika. Quadrilateral means four-sided figure. Maybe it is rectangle, maybe it is square. Got it, everyone? So now I am asking the answer of question number 9. If you know the answer, raise the hand first. I will give. No, first of all, hands down, Nurul Hadi and Jafar. Everyone has hands down. When I complete this statement, then you have to raise the hand. Okay? Abdullah Alvi. Beta, I will out you from the class if you don't turn on your camera. Kindly, beta, turn on your camera. Now don't turn off, okay? So, beta, raise the hand if you know the answer. What quadrilateral has all four right angles? Yes, Dayan, speak. जी बेटा Dayan. जी बेटा.
Rectangle.
Yeah, the correct answer is rectangle. Hammad beta, why you are not sitting? Beta, sit down properly, Hammad. Kabhi Kissa Fatma, beta, don't turn off your camera, please. Now I am on question number. Be attentive if you want. Hands down, beta. Hands down, Nurul Hadi. Otherwise, I will not allow you to speak. Okay? I am on 10. What is 2D shape called that has four sides? Quadrilateral or polygon? Everyone hands down. I will count 1, 2, 3. Then you have to raise the hand. Okay? Hands down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Kissa. Give me correct answer, Kissa.
Yes, miss.
I want answer of question number 10. Can you tell me?
I cannot listen you clearly.
So, beta, you have your worksheet, so you can read it and give me answer. Now, Jafar, it's your turn. Speak. Speak, Jafar.
Teacher, polygon.
Yes. Polygon? No, beta.
Teacher, quadrilateral.
जी हाँ. Quadrilateral, it's the correct answer. Okay.
Teacher, what did? Teacher.
Quadrilateral means four-sided figure. Got it?
Teacher.
जी.
Teacher, quadrilateral is a 2D shape.
Yes. Now, beta, I am on 11. Look at question number 11. Sphere and cube are both 3D shapes. No, anyone else? Mariam, turn on your camera. Daniel, okay, Daniel, give me answer. Daniel, give me answer, beta.
टीचर मुझे आंसर नहीं मैं टीचर मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ तो कौन सा पेज है
Beta, we are doing page number 10.
ओके
Jafar, you have to wait, beta. Okay. Okay. So I am doing a competition between Jafar, Zayanuddin, Aras, and Nurul Hadi. Okay. I will count 1 till 3, and I am watching who will raise the hand first, who will give me answer. Got it? First of all, hands down, everyone. Hands down. I will count till 3. Okay, then you have to raise the hand. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Nurul Hadi, raise the hand first. Mariam, I will ask, beta, a lot of worksheet we will do today, so you have to wait. Yes, Nurul Hadi. Speak, beta.
Teacher, number?
Number 11. Beta, I'm waiting. Jafar, wait. Hands down, everyone. Jafar. Yes, Nurul Hadi, please speak. Okay, now I'm giving the opportunity to Mariam. Yes, Mariam.
Miss, on which page you are? I saw page number 10.
Yeah, I am on page number 10 and we are discussing question number 11. Can you tell me the answer of question number 11? Jafar, wait.
11?
Yeah. Question number 11.
I already did it.
Okay, can you tell
Sorry
me the
for the disturbance.
So can you tell me the
Square
answer?
and cube are both 3D shapes. It is true.
Okay, so the answer is true. Got it? So this is last one. So we are on question number 12. If you want to give me answer and you are eager to give me answer, so Nurul Hadi, first of all, hands down. Hands down, everyone. Hands down. If you want to give me answer, raise the hand first. Okay? So, which of the following figure is a quadrilateral? Parallelogram and triangle. Again. Okay, Jafar, you are too much. Both hand raised. Okay. Now, Jafar, give me answer, beta.
Teacher, parallelogram.
Yeah, correct answer. So I'm very happy with you. So I am doing clapping to for all of you. Okay, this is clapping to all my lovely students. Got it? So everyone do clapping, huh? Do clapping. Wow, very good, very good. So
Teacher, I am clapping for you.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Jafar. Thank you so much. Love you all. Okay. मेरे बच्चों मेरी बात जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा सही है maybe after 10 minutes the meeting will be ended by itself because it almost taking 30 minutes and you know the Zoom meeting timing is 40 minutes. Okay, so when the meeting will be ended you have to rejoin Miss Ikra again. Got it everyone? Okay बच्चों, अब मैं आप लोगों को एक वीडियो दिखा रही हूँ सही है और वो वीडियो हमारी लिंक करेगी एंगल से वो वीडियो आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से वॉच करनी है और फिर मैं अभी आप लोगों का क्विज ले रही हूँ सही है मैं 1 बाय 1 करके आप तमाम बच्चों से फ्रंट टू फ्रंट बात करूंगी मैं आपको गूगल फॉर्म नहीं दूंगी मैं आपको कोई वर्कशीट घर के लिए नहीं दे रही मैं आपसे फ्रंट फेस टू फेस बात करूंगी विया Zoom मीटिंग गॉट इट यस सभी का ओके सभी का स्पीक बेटा
मिस व्हाट्सएप पे भी भेज दीजिएगा लिंक
बेटा you can easily get the link from your school YouTube channel it is easily available okay I will guide you if you want to do so beta now look at your screen now बेटा अपनी अपनी स्क्रीन में देखिए मैं आपको पूरा YouTube चैनल दिखा रही हूँ, आप देखिएगा कि आप लोग इस स्कूल का लिंक कैसे देख सकते हैं। देखिए, first of all you have to write your school name, St. Gregory's High School, press it. Then you have to see your school logo. Have you watched? Now click this school logo. Yes, Zayan. After that you have to move towards playlist. Okay, so at the top you are watching year 4. Have you watched, everyone? Now I am pressing this one. Okay, so this is year 4. Now I told you that I am showing the video of angles so you can watch. And first of all, tell me, beta, are you hearing the voice? Okay, now listen very, very carefully.
Vertex, the common point at which the two rays meet to form an angle is called the vertex. Here, the point O is the vertex of AOB. Types of angle: acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, reflex angles. Acute angle, an angle which measures less than 90 degrees, is called an acute angle. Right angle, an angle which measures exact 90 degrees, is called a right angle. Obtuse angle, an angle which measures more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees, is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle, an angle which measures exact 180 degrees, is called a straight angle. Reflex angle, an angle which measures more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees, is called a reflex angle. I hope now you have understood angles properly. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, bachcho, now we are again back. Hope so you listen the video very, very carefully. Okay? मेरे बच्चों देखें 2 मिनट के बाद आपकी मीटिंग टाइम ओवर होने वाला है, तो आप लोग मिस इकरा को दोबारा रिज्वाइन करोगे, फिर मैं आपका फेस टू फेस क्विज लूंगी. सही है? सही है बेटा? Now it's up to you if you want to go for drinking water as well as do you want to eat something so you may eat. And do you want to ask something? So kindly ask me right now. During the quiz, I will not give you answer. So now I am giving you opportunity one by one. Unmute yourself one by one. Okay. Now in Aya, first of all, I am starting from Zayanuddin. Zayanuddin, do you want to ask something regarding angles? No. Okay. Aras, do you want to ask something regarding angle? No. Okay. Nurul Hadi, do you want to ask something? Yes, Nurul Hadi, you may speak. One by one, I am asking from each and every student. Okay, so wait. We have 10 minutes. Yes, Nurul Hadi, speak.
कुछ गूगल में करना है?
No, face to face. Okay. Abdullah Alvi, do you want to ask something? Abdullah Alvi, please. No. Okay. Inaya, do you want to ask something? Okay, Inaya, unmute yourself. Speak, beta. Inaya, speak.
Miss, I can't understand the 3D shape in parallel and the Miss,
Don't worry, Inaya. I will repeat 3D shapes again, so don't worry. Okay. Now I am asking, do you have any question regarding angles? No. Okay. Kanza, do you want to ask something regarding angle? No. Daniel, where are you? Do you want to ask something? No. Okay, that means you all understood angle wisely, huh? Hassan Ahmed, do you want to ask something about angles? Okay. Sayyada Kissa Fatma, can you tell me, do you want to ask something about angle? Okay. Hamas Shahzad, can you? Beta, do you want to ask something? Okay. Sabika, no. Dua Khan, please turn on your camera. Dua Khan. Jafar, do you want to ask something about angles? Yes or no? Just shake your head. Okay. Speak, Jafar.
Teacher, you can show video again.
Again, okay, I will do. Dua Khan, do you want to ask something regarding angles? Kindly tell me fast because I want to show video again. Okay, Dua Khan. Say, beta. Speak, beta. Dua, I am waiting, beta. Mariam, turn on your camera. Mariam, definitely I will deduct your marks. Mariam, फिर आप मुझसे मत कहिएगा आपने मेरे मार्क्स कट कर दिए. मरियम, फिर आप मुझसे मत कहिएगा मिस इकरा आपने मेरे मार्क्स कट कर दिए बिकॉज मैं अभी एक और सरप्राइज टेस्ट लूंगी. बेटा बहुत प्यारी लग रही है, आप क्यों टर्न ऑफ कर रही हो? इतनी प्यारी सी आपका फेस है, मुझे देखना पसंद है, आप मुझे देखने दें. दुआ खान, Mariam, do you want to ask something about angles? Okay. On the request of Jafar, I am showing video again, so kindly watch it carefully. This is the request of Jafar. Yes, Jafar, now watch carefully.
Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. I am your teacher, Miss Akra. Today our topic is angles. Angle. What is an angle? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol. Here, the angle below is AOB.
Teacher?
Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor.
Teacher?
Yes, beta.
Teacher, I can't see.
Parts of an angle. Two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle.
I can't
Here,
see.
OA and OB, the arms of the AOB.
What about
Vertex,
Yes,
the common
teacher, I
endpoint
see.
at which form an angle is called the vertex. Here, the point O is the vertex of AOB. Types of angle. Acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, reflex angles. Acute angle. An angle which measures less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. Right angle. An angle which measures exact 90 degrees is called a right angle. Obtuse angle. An angle which measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle. An angle which measures exact 180 degrees is called a straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle which measures more than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. I hope now you have understood angles properly. Thank you.
Jafar, fine?
Yes.
Okay, बच्चों. मीटिंग आपकी एंड होने वाली है विद इन 3 minutes. So now I'm giving you a break time for 3 minutes. You may go have some water.
Hello,
and
students.
rejoin me.
I hope.
And rejoin me after 2 minutes. Okay, go and have some water. Kindly go everyone and rejoin me again.